The purpose of this video is to show you the Franklin Covey Health and Fitness Tracker Planner insert pages. I'm so excited. This video will be helpful if you're looking to get more fit and you need a way to track your fitness. And we're going to get started right now. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, are you on Facebook? If so, please head over to my Facebook page and like and follow me there so you'll be notified of the next great video. Are you on YouTube and watching? Hey, hi! If so, please be sure to like this video and subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tonya_plans. I'm so excited to be showing you these health and fitness tracker pages from Franklin Covey. I plan to use them and put them in my beautiful Franklin Covey binder right here. And by the way, all of the items that you see in my video will be listed in the description below, as well as information will be shared at the end of this video on how you can use a discount promo code on your order. So let's get to it. These are the Franklin Covey Health and Fitness Tracker pages. You get 50 sheets in the pack, and it is in the compact size, which is the size that I use. And these tracker pages also comes in other sizes. So if you have a larger sized planner, they also come in larger sizes. So on the first page of the packet, it talks about the health and fitness tracker and gives you information on starting a new exercise program and how to be effective, how to calculate heart rate, how to use the chart on this page here to track. Oh, okay, great. Here is information for you to kind of track your body fat, your weight, your blood pressure, and resting heart rate. And here is the daily food guide pyramid. I really like this. It looks like they put a lot of thought on already and how these tracker and health sheets can be used. So the first sheet that is here is called a health and fitness tracker. And on this sheet, it says at the top here, basics. And listed under basics is water, fruits, vegetables, and daily supplement. So this is great. You know, drinking enough water is really important to people's health. It helps flush out toxins, and keeping you hydrated also can give you energy and help you eat less. So that's great how they are allowing boxes here so you can track off basically each day of the week. So here are the days of the week going across the top here. And you can check off how much water you are drinking in these boxes here. And then you can also check off your fruits that you've eaten for the day and vegetables that you've eaten for the day right there, and your daily supplements. And that's something I haven't seen before. Are you remembering to take your vitamins? I know for me, for a woman my age, taking a vitamin D supplement is important, and I love that they are including that so that it's a kind of a reminder to take your vitamins. Now at the top here it says week of, so you can put in whatever week this is for and the year right there. Now this section here is for your meal journal, and here you can track your breakfast, your snack, lunch, your snack again, your dinner, and another snack. And then there are columns here for you to track however you like and what you like. Now me, I am on Weight Watchers. I'm in the Weight Watchers program, so I could use this to write down what I eat and also write down the number of points I'm consuming, or even use this as a planner, like not track what I eat but track what I plan to eat, because what you plan to eat is more important than tracking what after you've eaten. Because when you have a plan, I notice when I have a plan on what I'm going to eat, I have a better time with following that plan as opposed to pretty much opening up the refrigerator door and just grabbing whatever's in there. So having a meal plan is really, really, really great. So at the bottom here it says that you can use, you can use this meal journal section to track your daily intake of protein, carbohydrates, fats, and grams, calories, etc. So you can track what you want here. And on the back, it's different than the front. On the back, you can write here your resting heart rate, the week that you're recording it for. And this is an exercise tracker. So on the back of the sheet, you are actually tracking exercise. And here, there is a section for cardio. So this section is for cardio, and this bottom section is for weight training. And here you can write in your target heart rate, your recovery heart rate, your exercise, your time, level, and distance. The exercise again, time, level, and distance. So you can track different exercises here. And the days of the week are in these columns. So for Monday, you can say, okay, my target heart rate is, I don't know what the rates are, let's say 20. I don't even know if that's a target heart rate. And then you can have here your recovery heart rate. Then you can write in the exercise. I know I tend to do a lot of cardio, like treadmills and things of that nature. You can put that here, treadmill or elliptical, how much time you spent on the treadmill, how far you went, and what your level of difficulty was. You can track all that here. Now at the bottom part here where it talks about weight training, it talks about here you can write in the muscle worked, you can write in the sets, the reps, and the weight. So you can track all that here. So this is great because you know how you're kind of supposed to increase the amount that you're lifting over time. This way you can track it and know if you're increasing your weights and getting stronger, really. And that is just repeated all the way down. So you can put different muscles you worked. Like I could put, biceps here, and then put how many sets and reps I did when I worked the biceps. So this is a great way just to track everything. And then finally at the bottom here is a section for notes. So that pretty much concludes these inserts. Very, very handy. I can't wait to use these. Please let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to comment below on anything planner related or just anything at all. I love talking to you guys. Just a quick note, all of the items shown in this video will be listed in the description area of this video. Also, if you would like to save 20% on your order, you can go to my website, TonyaPlans.com. Click on this top link here, which will take you to the planner website. Once you add an item to your cart, you can go to checkout, and if you scroll down a little bit, there's an area for promo code. You would simply right click and click paste, and the current promo code to save 20% will be pasted in the field for you. I hope you found this video helpful. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Thank you so much for watching.